Now there's two styles into Venom, so let's take a look at Venom and his styles. So if you go into Locker, we're gonna click on Venom. We're gonna edit the style. So before I edit his style, what I'm gonna do is just save this as a preset. And let me just put it right here. There's my preset. I'm gonna go back into Venom. And I'm gonna edit his style. So here's the second style. So there are two styles you guys get once you purchase Venom. So there's this one, the standard one. And then there's this one. It's a little bit more grotesque. But I actually like it a little bit more. So I'm gonna save this and exit. And I'm gonna save this onto my presets. So if I want to save that into my presets, I can just save over this. So I'm gonna press X to save over that slot and confirm. So that's how we can manage these presets and overwrite any of them that we would like. Anyways, at this point, we are all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.